Other regions of this country have tested the presidency. Only the southeast and the middle belt, the central Nigeria, have not tested. While we sit on the round table with our elders to determine who, whether from the southeast, will come for us to submit and to support, or who will they provide for us from the north, central, middle belt to project for the presidency of Nigeria. If they settle for one Igbo man, we will go out massively to support an Igbo president in 2023. We will do that. If they come to say, okay, the middle belt, we believe the Igbo nation will do that because we are together. But we are here to assure you that apart from these two regions, we are not settling for anything less. We are here to cement our relationship and to assure one another that we are together. Let's forget our past and work in harmony to salvage the situation befalling our two regions. Today, insecurity is buffing us, left, right, center. The foreign militias that have been empowered to consume the indigenous Nigerians, we will stand as a united people to defeat it. We will not wish to fall in the hands of any government that will romance security issues in Nigeria anymore. We want a government that will stand to defend Nigerians, regardless of your religion, ethnic, or political affiliation. We have suffered, we've lost our loved ones, and we've been killed. You can't travel from Enugu to Abuja, from Owerri to Kano, without being afraid of being kidnapped on the road. And yet we have a system that claims to be working. As a people, it becomes a concern. The middle belt of Nigeria today stands as a burial ground for people who are not Nigerians, killing. It started in Enugu here with a lot of bloodshed. And we trust the Igbos put up a strong defense. Today there is relative peace. I call on Igbo youth, put up a signage in community security system to protect your people and protect your community. Use whatever means within your reach to protect your people. Because without life, there won't be existence. Some people have come to grab your lands. Some people have come to grab to kill you and take away your land. The Igbos I know that stood gallantly and fought gallantly during the Civil War will still be in existence to defend their fatherland. And that is what we encourage you. Any foreign Fulani militia that would want to come and take away your land, it is your imperative, defend it. And also our brothers in the middle belt, stand to defend your community. That is all you have. I want to reassure you that you have the support of the middle belt. Not speaking on behalf of middle belt per se, because I'm the national chairman of the indigenous ethnic group leaders of Nigeria. But by location, I'm from the middle belt. And I feel the pain of the middle belt. Other parts of Nigeria face the same challenge. But we are being specific on the middle belt and the east, because in the return of democracy, we have not tested that. Maybe we are the ones to salvage the problems of Nigeria today. We will have to stand. Power is not given in quick blows. You have to fight for it. You have to strategize for it. And we are here to put our heads together to strategize for 2023. And God will help us. God bless Ohaneze Youth Council. God bless Middle Belt Ethnic Group Assembly. God bless indigenous ethnic group leaders of Nigeria. And may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Powerful round of applause for the opportunity given to me to read the communique on behalf of the Meddle Belt indigenous ethnic youth leaders of Nigeria. I remain Comrade Daniel, the national leader of the nations in Bauchi State. Communique issue at the end of a one-day summit of the Middle Belt Ethnic Youth Leaders Assembly with the Ohaneze Youth Council on familiarizations, peace building, and political advancement at Enugu State on Friday, that is today, February 4th, 2022. One, on the familiarizations and the unity building between the ethnic youth of Southeast and the Middle Belt ethnic youth leaders of Nigeria. There was a loud call for the youth of both regions to get more familiarized and united by strengthening timely communications and solidarity. Secondly, analyzing the ravaging security challenges in both regions and the ways to mitigate them. Highlighted was a need for the government to strengthen the country's security architecture and also for the citizens to provide meaningful information that will aid their investigation, apprehension, and prosecution of criminal suspects. 3. On the political aspect, we need political fairness, political justice, and political equity in times of zoning of Nigeria's presidency. There was equally a consensus voice and a serious charge on the citizens, authorities, stakeholders, and political parties to ensure unfailingly that the Nigerian presidency come 2023 is zoned to and favored on the disadvantage of geopolitical zone so far. Thank you very much. These are the community issues this day, 3rd February 2022. May God grant our heart desire as we come in unity. Thank you very much.